Well then, welcome again back to Big Dog Repair. Today we're going to continue on rebuilding our edgers. Remember I showed you in the last video we had the Craftsman and we had the Scags. So I'll be right back. Well, here we go. This is the Scag edger. It's a pretty beefy edger, I would say. Should be pretty good. 3.5 horsepower. Well, I don't know how much more you need, but if we look at this engine, it's got a lot of rust and missing parts. But what we can do is take this engine here, and this is a 5 horsepower IC, and strip it of all parts or fix this one. It has a nice clean tank, which this one here is who knows what condition inside it is. But let's see what we can do. We have all the parts out here ready to go. Or maybe we should put this one on. 6.5 horsepower. Chinese clone of a Honda. Let's see. What do you think? We'll make a decision.